Yo, 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 yo! What's up mga guys? Welcome sa aking channel, si Coffeemate at ang aking co-host na si Aram Muna. Ngayong vlog na to is share namin dalawa. Lalo-lalo siya aking cook sa buffalo wings. Yan, mga request po. Benga-benga shoutout po sa aking mga friendship dyan na nag-request. Si Julian Vidal at si Stephanie Recto at si Jam Blanca. Yan ang ating mga kaibigan na hindi makamove on sa recipe ni Aramuna Arnie Durans. So, isi-share namin ngayong araw na to yung recipe kasi makulit sila. So, sabi daw, i-share daw kasi napakasarap. Ito ang sikreto nila Arnie, ang kanyang recipe kung paano niya niluto. Sige.
Dito guys, panoorin nyo kami kung paano magluto ng buffalo wings.
Yes! Tara, samahan nyo kami sa kusina. Umpisa natin ang pagluluto ng buffalo wings. Delicious!
Guys, ito yung isa sa mga secret. Secret talaga. Yung oyster, yung bread. Ayan. Yan naman siya. Mag-marinate tayo ng chicken, okay?
Yan yung unang-unang step na gagawin natin guys. Ang i-marinate ang manok para mas malasa siya sa loob.
Apo. Malinis yung kamay ko.
Yes.
Na ako.
Yan, kaliligo lang yan ni Ara muna.
Kaligo ko lang. So, ayan. Lamas-lamas.
Ilang minuto yan dapat?
Mga 15. Pwede nga dapat mas overnight, mas better. Kaya lang wala na tayong time. So, ganun-ganun na lang siya.
Okay.
Tapos lagyan natin siya ng salt and pepper. Ay, salt and pepper is pepper. Kasi meron na tayo.
Ground pepper.
Yes.
Yan, lagyan nyo guys. Pag yan sa mga unang-unang ingredients ng pag-marinate. Hindi yan nawawala ang ating paminta. Yan guys, ang second step natin. Kukuha kayo ng flour.
Yes, flour.
I-coat natin ating
Tapos,
manok.
ang ating garlic powder.
Garlic powder, pepper and garlic powder.
Ito yung ating pepper.
Ground pepper.
Kaya niya na lumabas. Patakot ko siya.
Guys, kahit hindi nyo na lagyan ng measurement, so tansyahan nyo na lang. Pero yan po yung ingredients na linagay niya para sa delicious buffalo wings.
Tapos, lagyan natin ng konting salt.
Konting salt.
Konti na lang kasi medyo maalat na yung ating
Yes, may patis na eh.
patis na tayo. So,
Mix nyo lang po. Mix
yan
well.
siya. Ganyan. And then, dapat naka-preheat na rin po yung ating oil para
Yes, magpipreheat na kayo dapat habang nag-prepare kayo na itong flour.
ilagyan natin yung mga para mas yung aroma. Tapos later guys, magka-crack tayo ng ilang piraso nito.
Garlic.
Garlic with butter and cooking oil.
Okay, yan. I-mention natin yan mamaya ang step by step. Ito ang second step natin. After natin linagyan ng fish sauce and chicken at ground pepper. Ito, prepare po natin ang ating flour. And, yan. Tsaka natin siya i-cook.
Cook lang natin siya. Merong iba guys, gusto nila niluluto muna yung chicken. Pwede rin naman. Pwede rin ganito na kung medyo nagmamadali na kayo. Katulad namin, gutom na kami. Kaya yan. Tapos pwede nang ilaglag sa mantika.
So, ang pangatlong step natin, you need to fry this one. Bakit nga ba tinawag na buffalo wings? Eh, hindi naman buffalo yan. Chicken yan.
Kasi yung sauce na very hot. Eh, di ba yung buffalo parang palaban?
Yan.
Ganun.
Noted.
Yan.
Yan guys, lalagay na natin ang ating coated chicken. Ipa-fry muna natin yan. Dapat crispy siya. Crispy. Ang result. Yan, hintay natin ng ilang minuto. Pag nakita nyo ang crispy na and brownie, pwede nyo na pong tanggalin. Use 1 bottle of UFC tamis anghang ketchup. And then, you need to add Tabasco for the additional hotness. Spicy. And the third ingredients, we will put 2 tablespoons of honey for additional sweetness. Yan. Mix well. And then the garlic one, we do mincing for the garlic. And now I'm preparing the butter. So we will use butter to saute the garlic to make more tasty, and add additional little oil on it. And after that, now we will put the garlic one, the minced garlic. Saute. We need to saute and make it brown. Yes, now it's golden brown. And after that, we will put our mixture, the tomato ketchup, Tabasco, and with the honey into our buttered garlic. Stir well, mix well, and after we reach or get the texture of this sauce, we will put this chicken. And now see, the texture is very sticky and smooth, so it means it's ready to mix our chicken. The sauce is ready. And now I'm preparing the sesame seed. Better you make it fry to boost the aroma of the sesame seeds. And we need to make it browny look, because the sesame seed, if like this one, is more tasty. And after that, our mixture is done. A sauce is the buffalo wing sauce, and the sesame seed is done. Now we're going to put our chicken wings. Yeah, so you need to switch off the fire and then stir well, so that all the chicken be coated by our buffalo sauce. Yeah, like that. Stir well so that it should be equally coated. And now this is our buffalo wings. We're going to put now the sesame seeds. Wow, look yummy. Yes, now our buffalo wings is ready. Sweet and spicy buffalo wings. Try to follow this recipe. Thank you for watching.